In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the sold out issue on Shopify. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify user or just getting started, encountering a sold out message can be frustrating, especially when you know you have stock available. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through a simple process to resolve this issue and get your products back up for sale. First, let's head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the products section. This is where all your items are listed. Take your time to find the specific product that you need to update. Click on the product to open its details page. Now, as you scroll down, you'll notice a section labeled Variants. Variants are different versions of your product, like size or color options. Click on the specific variant that's showing as sold out. This will open up more detailed settings for that particular variant. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the Inventory section. Once you're there, you have a couple of options. If you know you have more stock available, simply increase the quantity in the inventory field. This will immediately reflect on your store, showing customers that the item is back in stock. Alternatively, if you prefer not to track stock levels for this product, you can uncheck the track quantity box. This option is handy if you regularly restock or if you want to manage inventory levels manually. And here's a pro tip. Consider checking the continue selling when out of stock box. This allows customers to keep purchasing the item even if your inventory count reaches 0. It's a great feature if you're confident about restocking quickly or if you want to gauge demand before restocking. Next, it's crucial to ensure that the correct location has stock. If you operate multiple locations, double check that the inventory is allocated to the right one. This is often a common oversight that can affect product availability on your site. Once you've made all the necessary adjustments, don't forget the most important step. Click Save. This will ensure all your changes are updated on your Shopify store and your product should no longer appear as sold out. And there you have it. You've successfully fixed the sold out issue on Shopify. With these steps, you can keep your store running smoothly and ensure your customers have access to your products. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy selling.